Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make my coleslaw. It doesn't have any mayo, so you don't have to worry about it separating. It's easy, quick, and delicious. Let's get started. I will take you through the ingredients. Of course, I have some cabbage, which I've chopped up earlier, well sliced, and salted, and now it's draining. This softens it and lets the excess water come out. I have some shredded carrots. I have a Granny Smith apple, which I'm going to matchstick. And we have, for the dressing, some salt, some white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, and some celery seed. So the first thing to do, I've got our bowl here, and I am going to start making our dressing. And the reason I'm starting with the dressing is that we're going to do this just in one bowl. Let's clean up, and I'm just going to get started. I'm actually going to add a pinch of salt as a base for that. Our white wine vinegar, our Dijon mustard, our honey, and we're going to combine this. This is an orange blossom honey, actually. It's really, really delicious. You can use whatever you like, but I love the flavor of this honey. You could use maple syrup, for example. So I've got a whisk, and I'm just going to start to whisk that together. And as that gets combined, have a look at that, I'm going to start to drizzle in our olive oil and just keep whisking vigorously to combine that. Just a little by little at first. There. And have a light vinaigrette for our salad. So into this dressing, then I'm going to add our shredded and drained cabbage. At this point, I'm going to sprinkle in our celery seed. That really adds something special. And our shredded carrots. Get this out of the way so you can see a bit better. And now we're going to matchstick our apple. Now you could do this using a knife. I will actually show you how to do that first. So to matchstick by hand, we want to take our apple and we want to slice straight down close to the core. And we are going to slice this again very carefully using a claw so we don't cut ourselves. And then we're simply going to slice that in two matchsticks. There. And there we have our matchsticks that can go into our salad. But I'm going to do the rest of these with the mandolin. To finish with the mandolin, okay, I've installed the guard onto our mandolin, and I'm going to now finish our matchsticks. And as that gets close to the core, I just want to rotate that so that we avoid it. And there we have our matchsticks, which go into our salad. I'm just going to cut up the rest of this apple and add that as well. So now that that's added, all that we need to do is to toss it together. So just want to toss that so we get the vinaigrette distributed throughout, including our celery seed. Just to make sure it's well distributed throughout. Every bit is coated. We just want to make sure that our Dijon honey vinaigrette is coating every bit of our coleslaw. And at this point, we would taste it to adjust for seasoning. That is nice, tangy, perfect, not overly sweet. The honey just comes through. So now we just put this in the fridge and chill it. And then we have a beautiful coleslaw ready for any event, any party. Okay, our coleslaw has chilled and we are ready to plate it. I have a leaf of Little Jim lettuce here that I'm going to use for our plating. So here we go. I'm just going to give that a quick toss. Now this is beautiful vinaigrette, no mayo, and absolutely perfect for your late summer party or upcoming event. And here we go. Isn't that? Oh, I think we need a little more than that. There. Here it is. Our beautiful non-mayo salad on a bed of Little Jim lettuce. Okay, it's time to taste it. Simple, but effective. That is so refreshing. The apple, the Granny Smith, really goes well with the vinegar. I have to tell you, if I receive this at your next event, I'd be a very happy guest. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It's free, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single delicious recipe. And finally, please share this video with your friends and help build our community. It does help the channel out. Well, until next time, bye-bye. It's healthy too.